I have something for you guys. It's a Clinique haul. No, this is not sponsored, but if you've ever wondered what I use for my skincare, you're about to find out. This is a step-by-step skincare routine that was created for me a couple years ago by a skincare consultant, not a dermatologist, just a skincare consultant. I don't know if she's still operating, but she was amazing, and everything that she recommended for me was A, at least moderately affordable, and B, just really made such a difference in my skin. I'm going to take you guys step by step, and then we'll go over the extras that I got during the Clinique promotion. One of the things I do is a double cleanse to get any makeup off. So normally I use the Take the Day Off Balm, but I actually got this full size one for free as part of their promotion. So I'm using the liquid this time around. I love this makeup remover. It gets everything off. This is the first step. Now, the second step, my actual cleanser is not Clinique, it's CeraVe. I love this cleanser. This is the SA cleanser. So it's got a little bit of salicylic acid in it. This keeps the pimples to a minimum, and I really, really love it. And it's not drying, and it's not too harsh, because a lot of acne cleansers will make you break out more. And if you know, you know. I did not realize that the jumbo size was going to be the same size as my face. Okay, so this is toner number 1 by Clinique. This is a exfoliating toner, really, really good. Just gonna keep my skin nice and clear again. After that, I use the Moisture Surge toner. Now, this is a more hydrating toner before I put on my moisturizers. For my moisturizer this time, I picked up the Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharged Concentrate. I love this one. It's very hydrating. We're getting into the summer season, or at least the spring season, and my skin's gonna start changing, so I need more moisture than usual. Generally speaking, I have oily to dry combination skin. And now here, this is my little CVS cheapy copy of the CeraVe repairing eye cream. I love this. Same active ingredients, it's just a little bit cheaper, and I have CVS Care Pass, so I get an extra 20% off. Because I'm just not willing to spend all my money on skincare all the time. And now for the freebies. I got a full-size Moisture Surge overnight mask, and I'm a sucker for these, the little travel bags. And this one has a mild cleanser, a travel size of the Take the Day Off, a daily dramatically different moisturizing lotion, a little lipstick, mascara, and an eyeliner. Plus a hair tie and a tote. Can't beat it.